Hello. So now we're going to continue in the final piece of the chessboard, and that is the king. Now, like I said in the other videos, I actually did the king, but the volume didn't come out. I don't know why. But so we're doing it again. In case you haven't seen the other videos, I'm letting you know about that. So if I could just bring the camera down here. What I've done is I made it darker and colored it in here so you can see what's happening here. Okay, so you come here and funny looking cross, but anyway, it doesn't matter. It just has to, for me, it just has to be like that. So I know what's going on. We cut down here to form a cross here. Okay, okay, to form a cross. Like that for the king. Okay, we get a sample of one of the pieces that I've made here in history. Okay, so we can have a look there if we want, although I won't need to, but you can do that. Okay, so we come here and cut it here. So there's a little bit of a cross there, but doesn't matter. Okay, so we come here. Okay, so we come here and try to do it as accurate as possible. Okay, and we come in this way. Go a little bit down. The king chess has got a cross. Has got a cross on top. This is how they do the chess piece. So that's what we're forming. We're forming the cross here. Okay, come on the other side. Come here on an angle. Okay, we come on an angle here. Okay. Okay. So now we come straight here. Okay, and try to carve that a bit. Okay. Okay. Then we come here, and do the same on the other side. Okay, and get that. We've got ourselves a bit of a cross. Okay, clean it up a bit. Okay, so now we've got to come about this much in. Come here. And cut this. And we cut it here. Okay. What dropped? The clock. Okay, it's a good thing not to put clocks nearby here when you're working area, but anyway. Okay, so we do the same on the other side. It's got a notch here a little bit, but anyway. Clean it up a bit. Okay, so we now cut in this part here a little bit, just a little bit less than this one. Okay, just down here. All the way down. Going up to the end of the cross. And take that small piece out. The same on the other side. We haven't got the line here, but you saw what the line is before on the video, so just try to remember the shape. You can draw it in again if you want, but we're not going to do that right now. Okay, so come here. And now we come into this position here and bring it in here on an angle and on the other side. We come up here. That. Now we're making this different than the first one that we made. That is the previous one, and this one. We're just using this as a sample, like an idea in how to make an original piece. Okay, so now we come in this way. Come here. This one just doesn't cut. Blunt. Well, a bit anyway. So come up here. You do it here. And over here. Okay, so now we want another one here, going down here, got that. We've got another one here, we got that there. Come in here. Come in here. Okay. Come here. And come here. Okay. Come in here. So as I repeat from the other lessons, what we've got to do now after this is rust for it and sand it up a bit, and then just a paint job. Okay, so there you have it. Put the rust back, fix it a bit better. Okay, sandpaper. Careful you don't break the cloth with too much pressure. You won't break when it's finished, but if you put pressure on it, you can break. Most of us put pressure on it. It's not easy to break, but you don't want to put a lot of pressure on it. Okay, as you can see, it's strong. Okay, so we now cut it, and we take a lot of sanding after this. Okay, a lot of sanding to get it down nice, and then it's a sprinkler. You see that's nice and square, sits perfectly. So there's the piece that we just did as a king. Okay, like that. Okay, sits perfectly. Okay, anyway, you can't see that, but anyway. Okay, so we might have to sand it around these areas here, about here, fix it up a bit here, sand it, whatever, use your imagination. Got ourselves another chess piece. Thank you for watching. God be with you all and bless you.